Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already have a project. Start Storybook now. Install Node 14 Plus and pick npm or yarn, then run the init command to add Storybook files. Once done, open package. JSON to confirm the Storybook script exists, and execute npm run Storybook or yarn Storybook to launch the UI locally. You'll see a component panel and canvas. Use them immediately to view components. Make sure to keep the terminal open. This live server gives instant feedback as you create stories and tweak UI. You'll write stories next. Start by creating a stories file next to each component to keep context tight. Use a default export for title, component, and decorators, and then add named exports for each variant so Storybook shows them as separate entries. Once you have multiple components, organize folders and set title paths like component/button to group items. Make sure to include args and controls to enable live prop editing. This is how you document behavior and let teammates explore states without code changes. You're ready to finalize. Build a static storybook for sharing using the Build Storybook script, then deploy that output to your chosen host or pipeline. Once deployed, include the storybook link in PRs so reviewers interact with components. If something breaks, first reproduce locally. Check prop values, mocked providers, and console errors to find missing context. If stories fail to render, make sure component imports are correct, and that decorators wrap contexts like routing or theming. Fixing those usually resolves most issues fast.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.